Hello, and welcome to our in-depth review of the 2025 GMC Terrain. Today, we'll explore this compact SUV's design, performance, interior features, and pricing to help you understand what it brings to the table. First, let's talk about the exterior. The 2025 GMC Terrain has undergone a significant refresh, presenting a bold and modern look that aligns with GMC's current design language. The front fascia features a more prominent grille and sleek LED headlights, giving it a commanding presence on the road. The elevation trim, in particular, stands out with its blacked-out accents and unique 19-inch wheels, adding a touch of sportiness to the overall aesthetic. Under the hood, the Terrain is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, producing 175 horsepower. Front-wheel drive models come with a continuously variable transmission, while all-wheel drive variants are equipped with an 8-speed automatic transmission. While the engine provides adequate power for daily driving, some may find it lacks the punch for more spirited driving. The ride quality is generally comfortable, with the suspension effectively absorbing most road imperfections. However, the steering feels somewhat stiff, and there's noticeable body roll during sharp turns, reminding drivers that this SUV is more about comfort than sporty handling. Moving inside, the Terrain offers a spacious and comfortable cabin. The seats are upholstered in Coratec, a durable synthetic leather that feels premium to the touch. Front seats are both heated and ventilated, ensuring comfort in various climates, and the heated steering wheel is a welcome feature during colder months. The rear seats provide ample space for passengers, and the flat floor design makes entry and exit hassle-free. However, taller passengers might find the headroom in the back to be somewhat limited. One of the standout features of the 2025 Terrain is its infotainment system. Dominating the center console is a 15-inch, vertically oriented touchscreen running on an Android automotive-based platform. This system is responsive and intuitive, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. The large display makes navigation and media controls easily accessible, enhancing the overall driving experience. In terms of cargo space, the Terrain offers 29.8 cubic feet behind the rear seats, expanding to 63.5 cubic feet with the seats folded down. This provides ample room for luggage, groceries, or outdoor gear, making it a practical choice for both daily commutes and weekend getaways. Safety is a priority in the 2025 Terrain, with a comprehensive suite of standard features. These include forward collision warning, pedestrian and cyclist detection, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, lane keeping assistance, adaptive cruise control, blind spot warning, and rear cross-traffic warning. The adaptive cruise control functions smoothly, maintaining appropriate distances in traffic, while the lane keeping assistance provides gentle steering corrections to keep the vehicle aligned. However, it's worth noting that the system doesn't actively center the vehicle in its lane, a feature found in some competitors. Now, let's discuss pricing. The 2025 GMC Terrain starts at $31,395 for the front-wheel drive elevation trim. Opting for all-wheel drive raises the price to $33,395, with an additional $1,395 destination charge applicable to both. Our test model, equipped